Hello everyone, in this video we will be using Collie to do a web scraping, and we will be storing the cookies and visited URL in our database, and we will be using PostgreSQL for that database. So let's see how we can do that. So we can start by initiating Go mode, and then we can say Go. Have a Postgres package. I'll be putting that in the description. Then you can have go get github.com/go and start coding. Package main. We can have our main function, and we need to open our pgadmin. Yeah, so let's create a new database. If you guys haven't installed pgadmin, please go install your pgadmin and PostgreSQL. You can also check out my previous video on PostgreSQL. So let's create a database. 90 test, save. Okay, now C equals to calling dot new collector storage equals to Postgres dot storage URI. Host equals to localhost. Port, whatever port you have assigned, by default it should be 5432 unless you have changed. User equals to Postgres, and password, you can give the password you have given. I am keeping it blank, and database as the database name that we have created, comma database name. Then SSL mode equals to disable. Visited table, we can say visited, and we can say cookies table, cookies. Okay, and if error to C dot storage not equals to level, can say panic error. Now we can visit all the links. See on HTML, href, comma, callie.html element e.request dot visit href. We can say see on request callie.request. We can print start, we can call it as starting r.url, and we can visit the URL, whatever URL you want. We can call it as http www.golang.org or shell go run main.go. It keep crawling on all the pages. We have done that similar example, but in this we are storing that in the database. Okay, since this is only for an example, let's stop this and let's check in our database. Yeah, so our database, there you go. So let's see what we have. So it has stored all the host and all the cookies. Go on to the visited page. Let's see what is there in the visited page. So it has taken an ID from all the visited pages. So guys, if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.